But what is the latest on what we know for sure when it comes to FaceApp?
So the thing to remember with FaceApp is that they're right in what they're talking about. So they're only accessing the photos that a user specifically uploads. There's nothing that we've been able to find that would indicate that they can access your entire camera roll. And since the controversy has hit, you can now also email them and you're able to remove your photos from the servers. Now, in the past, they have said that after a few days, users' photos would be deleted off of the servers, and that the reason that users' photos were initially uploaded to the servers was to give you a faster processing time so that when you use that aging filter, you're not waiting for 5 minutes to see a result. But the problem is that a user doesn't have direct control over being able to delete their data when they're done with the app.
Right. But Jennifer, just going back to what you stated here, that we know for sure that they can't access the photo library. Isn't it true when you give them permission, they state that they will want access to your photos? And despite the fact whether or not they use the pictures from our photo libraries, they do have access to it?
So the thing to remember is that when you're giving them access, when it says, can I access your photo roll? To begin with, it's not pulling your photo roll as soon as you give them that access. It's just saying that when I'm using my phone, you can see this photo that I'm giving you. But the other thing to remember is that this is no more dangerous than uploading a photo to, say, Facebook. The big difference is just who owns the company, where it's based. So we don't think about it with Facebook because Facebook is an American company, and I'm speaking from personal experience there. But because this is a Russian-owned, Russian-based company, things are a little bit different in terms of privacy concerns.
Right.